she looks right ahead. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other love, but baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Don't stop hanging on me, don't you make me feel this way. Come on over here and love me. You know what I want you to say. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Why should we be apart? I really love you, baby, close my heart. Let's walk up to the preacher and let's just say I do. Then you know you'll have me, and I know that I'll have you. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. It's coming closer, the flames are reaching my body. Just won't you help me? I feel like I'm slipping away. It's hard to breathe and my chest is a heaving. Lord have mercy, I'm burning a hole where I lay. 'Cause your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of a choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. With burning love. Burning love. With burning love. I'm just a hooker, hooker, burning love. I'm just a hooker, hooker, burning love. I'm just a hooker, hooker, burning love.
Ba 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 Barbara Ann. Well, it's 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoe. Well, you can knock me down, step in my face, slander my name all over the place, and do anything that you wanna do. But honey, lay off of my shoes and don't you step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoe. Oh, let's go, cat. My house, steal my car, drink my liquor from my old fruit jar, do anything that you wanna do. But honey, lay off of them shoes and don't you step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoe. Rock!
What do a party in the county jail? Prisoners that was there and they begin to wail. The band was jumping and the joint beginning to swing. You should have heard Dr. Jim Bird sing let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in old cell block put their hands to the jingle house rock. Should begin to settle up for heaven's sake. Everybody around here trying to make a break. Should you turn to Henry and he said to Nick's neck. Wanna stick around, wanna get him up. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in wholesale rock. They were dancing to the jingle high rock. Whoa!
If I can tell, falling in love with you, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my hold.
Grab your coat and let's start walking. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Don't procrastinate, don't take it late, gonna get late and upset waiting around. Hey, a
Your long black hair, I squeeze you tighter than a grizzly bear. Yes, sirree. I'm gonna stick like glue, yeah, yeah, because I'm stuck on you.
Hey guys, we just landed for the food tour. We're starting at Hell's Kitchen, which is right behind me back there. And we just wanted to take my dad with us for this little tour because he was such a great chef and cooking was his passion. So he never got to make it to Vegas, so we got him here, and today is going to be a good day. Chat soon.
Yes, sirree. I'm gonna stick like glue, yeah, yeah, because I'm 2 feet. Who do you think when you have such a love? I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I'm feeling fine. When I meet a girl that I love best, my heart beats so it scares me to death. As she touches my hand, and what she like got, her lips are like a volcano's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My tongue gets tired when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine, and that's to have that girl that I love so fine. She touches my hand, and what she like got, her lips just wanna be your teddy bear. I put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be, oh, let it be your teddy bear. Oh, baby, let me be around you every night. Run your fingers through my hair, you cover me real tight. Oh, let me be, oh, let it be your teddy bear.
See the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes
American football, professional
shining through. To make those rainbows in my mind, when I think of you sometime, and I wanna spend some time with you. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us, just the two of us, building castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasting water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, not to those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, building big castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. Make it crystal raindrops fall on the window down the hall, and it becomes the morning dew. And darling, when the morning comes and I see the morning sun, I wanna be the one with you. You are just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building big castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two. Oh, just the two of us. Building big castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Oh, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Oh, we can make it. Oh, building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. Oh, just the two of us. Just the two of us. We can make it. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually. So if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh my, oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shining.
These moments I will remember forever.
Thank you for this beautiful journey. Thank you for the moments. Thank you